Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to save a TikTok video into your mobile phone. So to save the TikTok video is just you need to open the TikTok applications first and sign in or log in into your account, and after that make sure that you are stay in a home sections here. So there will be like 5 sections in the TikTok, but then if you want to try to find the recommended video by the algorithm of the TikTok, go into the home and make sure that you are go into the for you section. And now you just need like scrolling down until you find the video that you want to send into your phone. And also you got one. Now you just need to take a look on this right sides here, and after that take a look on this symbols. Go click it and there will be several options, and one of them is save video, and then you just need to go click this. Wait until all of the process is done, and whenever the video is saved, now you can back into your home screen and check into your photo library either the video is already saved into your phones or not. So that's the way how to save a TikTok video into your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.